Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today I'd like to talk about something completely off topic from my channel, and that is mechanical keyboards. Yep, I just picked one up for my gaming and streaming and stuff. I just always wanted a mechanical keyboard and now I have one. I've been watching a show called Switch and Click, that's the name, and that particular show kind of gave me the confidence I needed to dip my toe into the mechanical keyboard world, if you will. For this one, I just got a board stock and I just replaced the keycaps. But this particular board allows me to switch the switches out. It has a hot swappable thing, so I don't have to worry about desoldering or anything else I don't really feel comfortable doing. And it's just going to be kind of a nice little learn how mechanical keyboards work keyboard. Right now, it's just going to be the stock keyboard with new keycaps. If you want to learn a little bit more about keyboards and modding them and what a mechanical keyboard is, I'm going to put a link to Switch and Click in my description. It was a great site that got me into it, and hopefully it'll be a great site to get you into it as well. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Well, here's my new keyboard, a Keychrone C1. I picked it mainly for its layout and the fact that a lot of YouTubers said that this was a good starter keyboard. I think there's a lot more better choices out there, but this one had the arrow key separate, which I quite like for this size of keyboard. So here is the back of the box really quick. There are lots of things I like about the keyboard. I'm not a huge fan of the keycap colors, but they're not bad. They're just not what I was looking for. Right, let's get stuck into this. Here is the box. Nice little bit of foam to protect the keyboard and stuff inside. Take that out. And yeah, you get a lot of stuff in this box. Well, at least a lot more than I thought I was going to get. Little, easy guide how to just get it all set up. I will have to reference that later on. You get the cord. A nice one with a C and a regular USB. Well, it's actually a USB-C to USB-C, but it has an adapter, so you can do USB just normal. So that's cool. Little plastic bag, right? You get a little key puller thing. This is gonna be nice. It's gonna be interesting to see how difficult it is going to be to pull keys out, because I've never done that before. And some extra keys. These look like to be the Windows keys, so this must be a Mac layout, so I'll probably have to do some swapping from Mac to Windows anyways, but this keyboard can do that, which is quite cool. Here's the keyboard itself. I'm pretty excited about that. We'll look at that in a second. Oh, rulebook. And the box here, yep. Good, let's go set this here, and I'm going to go ahead and quickly kind of reorganize this stuff so I can have space to look at what I need to look at here, mainly the keyboard. Now this keyboard comes with a couple extra keycaps. Let's you change it from Mac to Windows, which is something I would want to do if I didn't have another keycap set. It also has some key caps for the light bulb and other things if you want to change them to orange. Anyways, it's cool includes. I'm gonna set those aside though. Well, here's the keyboard in all of its keyboardiness glory. Let's do a quick little sound check of the stock keyboard to see how it sounds just right out of the box. Alright, next thing I decided to do was take off the little top part of the keyboard. I saw that you could easily put a credit card in and slip it off in another video. Turns out it was a little bit more difficult than the video let on. So this is me kind of playing around, trying to get it to work. Yep, not quite there yet. Definitely feel it giving a little. Maybe get a couple corners. Bottom, I guess. And yeah, this is me struggling with plastic. Trying to get the card to work. One of the keys actually fell off when I did this. You can see it there. You see that I chose the red Gaddion switches. That's what I wanted. And there's the top. All free. Well, there's the keyboard with the thing off. Here's my first key pull. And it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I tried to pull it off my figure, see if I could just pull it off. And no, actually, it's not that easy. It's just easier using the puller. Just like pulling a tooth, I guess. Alright, let's look at the keycaps I got. And here are the keycaps I chose. I chose colors that will kind of match the channel colors. The box doesn't really show it, but once you see it all on the keyboard, you'll see what I mean. These have a nice blue and a dark blue kind of color pattern with some yellow mixed in, which I really like. The box is actually really nice little hard plastic box. It holds all the keys, and I was able to put some of the keys from my original keyboard into here, so I was able to kind of use it as storage for my my old set of keys, well, my new stock keys. But anyways, this is what it looks like inside. Here's a closer look. You can kind of see the keys have that kind of yellow text on the dark blue and a light greenish text on the blue, and some more yellow keys to customize the board. It's a lot of cool stuff. Anyways, I'm going to place this underneath my little shelf here, and I'm going to start playing around with putting some of these keys in my keyboard. Now, I won't make you sit through the whole entire process, but I'll show you the first few keys that I do. And yeah, let's grab the keyboard here, set this down. Right, so I have two keys there that I can just go ahead and grab the keys. And actually, I'm going to need to use the tool to pull them out of this thing. They're kind of really nicely, tightly stuck in here. So let's go ahead and put that there. Yep, there we go. Speed of time. Yep, this is me looking at the profile of the keys, see the lower, and then I put the little kind of top plate on to make sure that I'll still be able to, see the keys. They're not going to sink behind the plate or anything, which was a fear that I shouldn't have had, because that plate sits really low on the down and on the actual board. Anyways, here's me replacing some more keys. And yeah, and it pretty much goes like this until the very end. So I'm going to go ahead and do some movie magic here and fast forward this key process from this point on. And right, here we are at the end of the keyboard. This last piece to put in, which is the end piece, which I think is fitting. And yeah, I think it turned out really well. I really like the colors. I do apologize for the shaky cam. It's basically just my phone I'm videoing this all on, so yeah. The RGB looks cool. And yeah, the overall look of this keyboard is awesome. I really like it. I really like the keys. I like how the yellow text pops on the blue. Yeah, I really like just how it turned out. It turned out really well. I might try to paint that top plate another color other than black, just to make it match a little bit better. But yeah, for now, this seems to be perfect. Exactly what I thought it was going to be. Next, I kind of thought I'd show some of the RGB effects. They're quite cool. You can kind of cycle through them through the RGB button in the top right corner. And yeah, there's some really cool things you can do with this. My favorite, though, are the ones that interact with you typing, which I'll show you in just a minute once I cycle to them. Here's one of them. Just like kind of a bar effect that goes across the whole keyboard. I quite like it. It's quite cool. I love the interaction ones. This one here is my favorite. Yeah, it just kind of goes through. And you can cycle through the colors as well. So here's red with the same effect, and here's yellow. And yeah, yellow is my favorite. Yeah, I like this a lot. Right, I'm going to do a quick little sound check of the keyboard. Here we go. And thank you for watching the video. If you want to support videos like this, please hit that like button and subscribe. That really helps the channel out. And if you're looking for more videos about keyboards, I highly suggest the Switch and Click YouTube channel. They go into a lot more depth than I do and do a lot more cool things. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you next one. Bye bye for now.
Would you care for some tea?